Good morning, Block 1, and happy Friday. So here is the recording to explain what you're doing today. This is not currently published, but will be by the time that you view this video. So the first thing that you're doing today, which most of you did yesterday, was to go ahead and get together the packet for week 2, which looks like this. If you currently don't have one of these, I'm going to leave it on the podium for you so that you can go ahead and grab one and then put your items in this order, with Chapter 2 review, imagery, and mood going first. The Chapter 2 work ES review was when we practiced the evidence sentences and rewriting the incorrect evidence sentences and making them correct, and then so on and so forth with the Chapter 3 ES review that we finally completed yesterday on the very bottom. After you turn in the packet into the inbox, you're going to go ahead and hopefully grab the worksheet entitled Intro to Inference, which is also located on the podium. And then you're going to simply access this video here, this PowerPoint. You're going to access this PowerPoint. And the video, is right here actually, and it kind of walks you through.
Good morning, students.
What it is for Inference. It is an older video. I shot it when the pandemic was happening, so if it mentions Google Classroom, just ignore that because you guys don't have Google Classroom, and we don't utilize Google Classroom. So after completing the Intro to Inference worksheet, you're going to hold on to it for next week in next week's packet. And then also on the podium should be this worksheet, the Chapter 4 vocabulary. So you're going to utilize these 10 words in a showing sentence that you came up with, making sure that you actually highlight the word in the sentence. Lastly, you can either just simply read the novel, or you can utilize those earbuds I gave you and listen to the audiobook, but follow along with your actual book in hand. And that is the extent of the activities that we're completing for Friday 121. The homework for over the weekend is to finish that vocabulary worksheet, because I am going to issue the Chapter 4 vocabulary test on Monday, and also to please finish reading Chapter 4 of Mice and Men. So I hope you have a good day. Bye.